Okay, we're going to do BMW 540 wagon M62. This is a September of '99 build date, so it's a year 2000 model when it was sold, or that's the way it's titled. We're going to do a compression test. This is a driver's side bank. Got a compression tester in. All right, go. Stop. Okay, 170. Driver's side cylinder 2, go. Go. Stop. All right, 170 again. Driver's side cylinder 3, go. Stop. That was about 175. Driver's side cylinder 4, go. Stop. It's about almost 180. Passenger side cylinder 1, go. That one's lower, 160. Passenger side cylinder 2, go. That's not good at all. That's only 100. That's terrible. It's terrible. I'm going to try to reseat this and try it again. Passenger side cylinder 2, go. It's about 110. Not good. Not good. Passenger side cylinder 3, go. About 130, a little below 130. Passenger side cylinder 4, go. That's terrible. 70. Let me try to reseat that. Maybe I don't have it in all the way. Passenger side cylinder 4, go. Got up to about 110.
Dad, there's a new pop-up that says service.